I'm ready. Got glitter, got glam, got emergency sass spray. You got a fix on the ship? Jessie's ship is still broadcasting a faint frosting signal. I can track it, but there's something else now. A shimmer, a whisper. Please don't tell me your ex-boyfriend is a whispering shimmer. No, it's the bottle. It's calling. Okay, softly. Like a song sung backwards in sugar syrup. Oh, we got ourselves a double rescue mission, babe! A spaceship and a genie soul trap. Yep. Oh, honey! Lock up your snack carts and tighten your rhinestones. The glam has landed. Well, butter my biscuits and call me Saturn Sally. Ha ha ha! Look who floated in. Two sparkly something or others. Welcome to Sneers. And grab a stool before they start squeaking again. We seek information and a spaceship thief. One cosmic cola, heavy on the sparkle, and some intel. Coming right up. We're looking for a couple of walking disasters in villain shoes. Oh, honey, you mean the cape and the clown shoes? Yeah, they were here earlier. Ordered a slice of moon pie, didn't tip. Not that I'm keeping track, but they left in a hurry. And let me tell you, when a woman's nose grows mid-order, you don't need to be a psychic to know she's trouble. One's got a nose with a mind of its own. Yep, like a breadstick on fast forward. I told her, sweetie, if that thing gets any longer, you'll have to file a flight plan for it. She didn't laugh. But then again, my ex-husband didn't laugh much either. Where were they headed? Planet Flute said something about the bottle, and not the fun kind. More like the creepy ancient kind you wouldn't want to drink from. Unless you like curses and emotional baggage. Judging by your face, Sugar Plum, this bottle's your kind of trouble. Oh, heck no! Not the bottle! Your bottle? They know about it. Nadia's gone after my past, my prison. Who snitched? Spill it, or I bedazzle your eyebrows. There you go. Have a Coke. Oh. Well, ain't that just a pickle and a pie? If I were you, I'd get moving. They left about 30 minutes ago, and in this galaxy, that's long enough to miss a sail and a wedding. If they reach it first, they could twist my magic, unravel everything I've become.
Oh no!
Then it's sparkle and speed, Sugar Plum. We're not just chasing Jessie's ship anymore. We're chasing your story. And I'm not letting some burnout villain witch and a flying fruitcake get the final say. To Floop and to the bottle. Hey, wait! You'll need this. This is a kid's menu, not my disco. Not just any kid's menu, Sugar Pie. This here's the most accurate map of Planet Flute, this side of the Crab Nebula. Follow the spaghetti maze. Ignore that Capricorn warning. And when you see a big neon billboard for half-price llama grooming, take the second asteroid on your right. This is more than a rescue now. It's a cosmic comeback. Genie? Yes. It's also drawn in maple syrup. Sticks better in space wind. Now, if you see a floating walrus with a monocle, you're going the right way. Unless he's holding a ukulele, that means turn around immediately. Learned that the hard way in 72. Then, let's write the next chapter before Nadia rewrites the past. Oh, and tell Bungledorf she still owes me for the coffee she accidentally wore instead of drank. Oh, and if you find that bottle before they do, don't rub it. Just trust me on it. She served me well for the 6 minutes I didn't crash her, but she's toast. Probably sourdough. Believe it. If they trace it, they'll find only fried wires and disappointment. This is like stuffing a cannonball into a teacup. What is this, a villain clown go-kart? It's efficient and stylish. I fly with taste. Hold your wigs, we're lifting. Stop pushing me with your breadstick feet! The bottle of Genie. If it still holds any echo of her original power, we can claim her. We can contain her, unravel her, maybe even reprogram the magic inside. And if that doesn't work, I vote we trap her in it again and toss it into a spicy black hole. I like your enthusiasm. Misguided, but full of evil intent. Remind me to thank Bungledorf for crashing Jessie's ship and leaving behind a great trail of glitter dust and shame to follow. We're gaining on them. I feel it. Like a hum in the stars. The bottle is wakening. Let's hope we reach it before they pop the cork on your past.